Did you know every year millions of Americans become homeowners? It's a big step, no matter if it's your first house or your second or third. Anyone who's thinking about buying needs to ask themselves 5 key questions. The most important, just how much home can I afford? Generally, you can afford a mortgage payment that's around 30% of your gross monthly income. But remember those other costs of living, like food, utilities, childcare. Almost as important, what kind of home? Develop a wish list. Do you want a ranch style? A 2-story or split level? And how many bedrooms? Bathrooms? Small yard or a big yard? And then, where do you want to live? What neighborhood? The things to think about here: your commute time, area schools and recreation. And then, after you've nailed down your dream home, do you have the down payment? The ideal down payment is 20% of the cost of the house, but you could go as low as 3.5% for FHA financing, but down payments don't include closing costs. And remember, the lower your down payment, the bigger your loan, and the higher your monthly payment. Finally, to be considered a serious buyer, you should get pre-qualified. Meet with a lender. Get a pre-qualification letter that says how much house you're qualified to buy. When you're pre-qualified, you have bargaining power. And then it's only a matter of time before you have the home of your dreams. For help in your house hunt, contact a RE/MAX agent. Go to RE/MAX.com.